absolutely love doTERRA. They're certified pure therapeutic grade, so that means they are medical grade, which means they're very potent. You can ingest them, you can use them on your skin, and of course, you can smell them. Do know that I love all essential oils, but I do only recommend doTERRA to be used topically and internally. But this is a community of natural wellness, so please feel free to share your recipes, comments, tips below. Please be sure to know that you can comment down below. This is a very positive, loving channel and series, so please do be kind and do show nothing but love and respect. I'm gonna geek out a little bit for you on why essential oils and how essential oils are so effective. A lot of people think that it's like mumbo jumbo. My husband, number one, thought they were total mumbo jumbo till I put some On Guard under his tongue and he felt amazing like 5 minutes later. So most of the people who are watching, if not all the people that are watching, have been put under for some type of surgery. And what do they do to put you under? They put a little gas mask over your nose and they have you count from 10 backwards. What? In less than 4 seconds, you're out? Okay, so that is this little spot right here on your nose. That's in charge of all this stuff that's going on in your brain. So essential oils have the exact same effect on you, okay? So they are highly effective. When you start using essential oils, you're gonna be so empowered and you're gonna be saving lots of money. Many people think that doTERRA especially is very high priced. But once you get into it, you'll realize that not only are you saving money on doctor visits, gas, but you're paying pennies on the dollar for these oils and how effective they are for your family. So every single video within the series is going to be covering the top uses of the oils, different recipes that you can create, how I use the essential oils in my daily life, and then of course the emotional benefits associated with that essential oil. A lot of people don't realize it, but each essential oil has a direct emotional benefit because of how it affects the brain. It's so incredible. I was diagnosed with depression when I was 19 years old. I refused to get on medication, and now I'm just very vibrant, very happy. Of course, I have my low days. I'm not like always happy and crazy, but essential oils have truly changed my life, and I really hope that it does the same for you and that you are empowered, that you're stoked to use your oils, and you know how to use your oils. So thank you so much for watching. I love this community. Please reach out with any questions. Hit me back. Here we go. You are a current customer with doTERRA. Fantastic. If you're one of my customers, hey, I love you so much. Or if you're interested in getting oils, I'm going to have everything linked down below. I'll also have my Instagram. I have like daily tips, what I'm doing, my son, my husband on there, where you get crazy and have so much fun together. So please go check it out below. Please hit the like button and subscribe. These are going to be popping up here really quickly because we're in coronavirus and everybody's binging on videos. So toodaloo. I don't know how to say bye. Cut. See ya. Adios, amigos. Au revoir. Toodles. Bye.